Meaning of four corners.
Four corners.
Four corners.
Four corners.
Four corners. Four corners refers to the only place in the United States where four states meet at a single point: Arizona, Colorado, New Mexico, and Utah. The spot is marked by a monument where visitors can stand with 1 foot in each state. It is a unique geographical curiosity that draws tourists from around the world to experience this rare intersection of states. The Four Corners region is also home to a rich cultural history, including indigenous peoples and ancient archaeological sites.